Addition. Let's learn how numbers are written on positions. Numbers at unit place are called ones and are represented by O. Numbers next to ones are tens and are represented by T. Numbers next to tens are hundred and are represented by H. Adding numbers at unit position. Let's count the circles in this box. 3. Now let's count the circles in this box. 2. Now let's add 3 and 2, which is equals to 5. Adding two-digit numbers. Let's add 20 and 10. 20 is 2 tens and 0 ones, and 10 is 1 tens and 0 ones. Adding both is equals to 30, which is 3 tens and 0 ones.